Starting with the hands at the heart center. Inhale, sweeping the arms, bending the knees, coming to chair pose. Exhale through, forward fold. Inhale, look up and lengthen, find your flat back. Exhale, hands flat, stepping back to your high plank, lower down chaturanga. Inhale up to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot forward, coming up to warrior one, arms high. Exhale, lower down, high to low plank, chaturanga. Inhale up to upward facing dog, hips are off the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left side, inhale, left foot forward, coming up to warrior one, arms high. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga, high to low plank. Inhale up to upward facing dog, hips and thighs are off the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good. Breathing here, inhaling. Exhaling, drawing that navel in, relaxing the shoulders and the neck, breathing long, breathing deep. One more breath here. Soften the knees, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, look up and lengthen. Exhale, deep forward fold. Inhale, dip and rise, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, hands to heart, Samastiti.